the FLX Plus HP 10, 15 and 20. So the across the spectrum, hybrid polyurias we have available. Made in India, available off the shelf and very high quality. We will share all this data. Please feel free to come and visit us in our stall, which is just at the entrance, and we're happy to talk about these products. The products are CI Green certified, which adds value when you are seeking green certification for your building as well. So not only in terms of the heat reflection, but also using a sustainable low carbon product in construction. That adds points to your overall evaluation as well. It's a little test on how tough the product is. This is the crack spanning test. Now the crack starts appearing. It will go on in width. There is no failure of the coating on top. And you will reach a point beyond 8 mm when it actually finally fails. It's very easy to apply, very easy to clean and purge. There is no complicated mechanism of the spray. It's a very straightforward spray technique. Just a standard spray gun and airless spray system. This is from the viewing stand of ISRO where they launch the satellites, and so this was prone to very high vibration.
Like this, and in the bottom, you will be applying the top material, but the bottom material will already be hard. That is why it is spread. It is spread, so that is only like halfway. Today we are at the National Waterproofers Conference 2020. I'd like to walk you through our range of products. We're going to look at Drythin Standard, which is our two-component PU system. It can be used for STP tanks, ETP tanks, and for potable water, and also for retaining walls. Then there comes the newest product in our range, which is the Ultimate Combo. It has a hybrid polyurea base coat, top coat of two-component PU, and it can bridge cracks of over 10 mm. It is trafficable and it can take immense damage, and it is a very rugged coat. Another new product we have, which is the same Ultimate Combo but with an aliphatic top coat on top. It will reduce surface temperatures by around 10 to 15 degrees centigrade and internal temperatures by around 6 degrees centigrade. We also have a range of spray polyureas called Drythin, FLX, HB Plus 10, HB Plus 15 and HB Plus 20. These are high grade spray polyureas. This is a demo of advanced waterproofing and a heat insulation system. So these are two model homes. On top, this is an uncoated roof, and this is a roof with the Ultimate Combo with the aliphatic 1.5 thick system, and it will reflect around 15 to 20 degrees. The surface temperature will be 15 to 20 degrees compared to the bare concrete. So now we're going to turn on the light in our setup. Temperature inside is around 24.6 degrees and 24.4 degrees here. So after 5 minutes, we're going to see the temperature difference between both. The surface temperature as well as the temperature inside. Now 5 minutes have elapsed. We can see the temperature difference. As you can see, on the coated roof it's around 27.6 degrees centigrade, and on the uncoated roof it's around 55 degrees centigrade now. We can also see on top the temperature has reached around 85 centigrade, and here it is around 42 centigrade. There's a massive difference in temperature. The temperature of the coated roof has barely risen by around 3 degrees centigrade, while the other one has risen by around 30. That is the power of Drythin aliphatic coating.